Hey YouTube, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video show you all my DVD unboxing of Sonic Boom, Here Comes the Boom. Yep, I got this at Dollar General for prices $5.19. You can see Sonic the Hedgehog, Amy Rose, and Tails the Fox on there, as you can see. So here's the front, here's the spine, and of course the back. It says, "It's a Sonic you haven't seen before." See, Sticks the Badger, Dr. Eggman, and Knuckles the Echidna on there. Includes 8 action-packed episodes, which they are The Sidekick, Cowbot, Double Doomsday, The Curse of Buddy Buddy Temple, The Meteor, The Sleeping Giant, Just a Guy, and My Fair Stixie. Approx runtime 90 minutes. Color. Disc made in Mexico. Technicolor Animation Productions. That's released by N-Circle Entertainment, Technicolor Animation Productions, and Sega logos. This is www.ncircleentertainment.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up right now. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. Oops, dropped the disc. Here's the disc for the series, and there's absolutely no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye!